So as I planned for today, I received already my package from Croatia passport from Croatia post. It's here. I admire someone has so nice writing here up. I don't know if you can see it. This actually saying Croatia. Really nice handwriting, really nice. But before we do unboxing, I would like just to show you what are the crypto stamps Rimac Nevera. It is forbidden in most countries there because they can have minuscule amounts of... Yeah, I mean, poppy seeds are used to produce opium, but still I think it's insignificant amount in there. Just in my opinion. Yeah, same plant, exactly. That same as I don't know if I can say, yeah, but I can say it, yeah. Cannabis tree, because you can use cannabis tree in industry also, and it was used a lot industrial, so, but they prohibit it here also, or everywhere, because you can make also drugs from it. Poppy seeds. Yeah, so let us get back to crypto stamp Rimac Nevera. I made one video on YouTube about it, where I bought it, and I explained a little bit what is crypto stamps and how they work. But we can do some short revisit here. So, crypto stamp Rimac Nevera. The Croatian Post presents the third Croatian crypto stamp in cooperation with companies BitX and Node Factory. Croatian crypto stamps are conceived as a perfect combination of analog and digital, and the latter is especially significant because it commemorates the Croatian hypercar of the future Rimac Nevera. Posterium 3 can live forever on Ethereum blockchain and has a collecting value, thus achieving a faithful translation of philately into the digital world. So actually what you get from here, they are saying, you get cryptos, you get normal post stamp that you can use also to ship anything, but you also receive it in digital form. Of course, the collecting value is bigger than the nominal value that you can use. Howdy partner Paul, welcome to the channel. And as I said, it's mostly it's mostly for collectors, because it's just not profitable to use it as normal stamp. Also, they introduce down below 5 tiers, and when you get one, you can then redeem it, but we will come in short to that. Also, I have it here, so Rimac Nevera, yeah, that's the same one. You can buy them with cryptocurrency, you can buy them with euros, and you can see that it costs 6.77 euros, which is, let me euro to pay Philippines, how much I said, 667, that's almost 400 peso. Also, you can buy it through the interactive shop with cryptocurrencies if you want. It should also show here if... Actually, it should show here if any of them are both, because when you buy them from here, it should say that it's owned by someone, so... But, for example, let's just show it for the sake of purpose. Okay, stamp ID. Okay, those are both, or... Actually, I think they already been both. Yeah, owner. You can't buy them anymore with cryptocurrency, but you could when I made my video, that was, I think, almost 1 month ago, you could buy them with cryptocurrency. Sadly, now they are just being sold. So, just a second. No. Down below, they are now explaining what is Rimac Nevera. I will read it now, and then I will show you on YouTube how Rimac Nevera looks like. Everyone is saying like Lambo, 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 but trust me, when you see Rimac Nevera, you will change your mind. So, Rimac Nevera is a fully electrical hypercar with a top speed of 412 kilometers per hour. Was created to provide an unprecedented level of performance. It has 4 electric motors with a total power of 1914 horsepower and 2360 newton meters of torque, and will be the most powerful and fastest accelerating homologated car in the production, regardless of the type of powertrain transmission. It is a completely designed and developed and manufactured in company Rimac Automobile in Croatia, and Nevera proudly bears a Croatian name, which truly reflects the extraordinary performance that it can release in a blink of an eye. Now they will explain what is meaning behind Nevera. And for people who come from Croatia or neighbor lands as I do, for example, we know what is Nevera. But I really like how they chose this name. So here is now an explanation why Nevera. Nevera is a powerful Mediterranean storm, charged with lightning, which appears with extraordinary speed and strength. The Rimac hypercar shares the Rimac hypercar shares with this type of storm not only the name but also its character. Like the natural forces after which is named, it is equally capable of changing its character from a safe and comfortable grand tourer to the high-performance car. Nevera retains in a stunning acceleration throughout the cycle of full throttle and reaches 300 km per hour from start in just 9.3 seconds. In addition, the car achieved a record fast 8.6 seconds per quarter mile, 0 to 402 meters. So they showed you now the tiers. Down below you can see the tiers and the quantity, how much you have from every single one of them. So we have 10,000 stamps available for sale, and that is just tier 5. 8,000 for tier 4, 6,000 for tier 3, 4,000 for tier 2, and just 2,000 for tier 1 Golden Nevera. I would like now to show you just how Nevera looks like. Just let me change this to me, and we will go to their website. Just a second. Nevera. Okay, so let me just now switch the scenes. Boom. And just enjoy this, guys.
Something's coming. You can feel it. A storm. People here call it Nevera. It's relentless. Intimidating.
Just a second. So that was actually footage from Rimac Automobili, where they introduce Rimac Nevera to people, and it's just insane. Just insane, the car. I told you, you will forget about Mon Lambo. It's more like Mon Nevera. And every single part of this car is manufactured in Croatia, and it's unique. They didn't wanted anything that is on the market, so they made all the parts unique for Rimac, for Nevera. Also, they you can find many videos about it. Even Nico Rosberg, he was testing it, and the car has built-in computer which helps you while you drive. Like every single wheel. Sorry for the inconvenience. My PC crashed actually. I had an update. Yeah. Let me just check if we are live. Just a second.
Gotta sit still.
Stream. Come on, my dude. Okay, so we are now back. I hope we'll do this. Just to see this. Okay, so we are good. We are good to go. We are good to go. I don't know if anyone is in the chat. You should maybe refresh. Yeah, Finn, welcome to the channel, man. We just had some unfortunate PC restart where the stream dropped, but let me just type to anyone if they are in the stream just to just a second. So I put just to refresh. Okay, so that's good. So let's switch the scene. Unfortunate that it dropped like that, but we are back now. We are back. I hope that we are all here now. If not, it will be in the past stream, so you can maybe catch up to it. As I showed you before, you could buy it with crypto, but everything is already sold with crypto. You can buy it in ePost shop. It's €6.67. The Philippine peso, it's almost 400 Philippine peso. Or you can buy it in postal office, and you can find location where you can buy it, but it's only in Croatia if you live in Croatia. Here they introduce the parts of the stamps. QR code linking to Croatian Post's crypto stamp overview webpage, which shows all the crypto stamps details and values. Second one, a physical stamp in the value of 50 Croatian kuna that can be used for paying postage. But as I told you, this has more collecting value, and it doesn't make any sense to use it as as for that method. Boom. Let's drop now here. Seed. Seed consists of 12 words used to access your blockchain wallet, so keep it safe. You must enter your private key if and when you decide to send your digital stamp to another Ethereum address. Basically, you receive Rimac's Nevera NFT on this crypto stamp, but if you decide, which is already on one Ethereum wallet, so and if you decided to send it to your wallet, you will need also that seed phrase to enter this through MetaMask or any other wallet, and then send it to your desired wallet that you want. While we are here speaking about seed phrase, keys, and etc., you must always know something. You need to store your keys safely, because if you don't, you might lose all your cryptos, and that is something that you don't want to do. So keep them safe. So let us move now further. Serial number, you can see it down below. Stamp serial number, a 5-digit number, used to view your digital stamp either by entering the number or scanning its QR code. Ethereum address, it will be shown here. Ethereum public address, initially storing the digital stamp. QR code, a QR code linking to the web page which clearly shows the owner of the stamp and its history. And that will be here. And if you have any wallet or serial number, you can put it here, and you can see or connect the wallet, as I said, with MetaMask Wallet Connect, Portis, Autherum, or Burner Connect. Those are the 5 wallets that you can connect to it. But let us just show you something. So these are the crypto stamps that were available to purchase with cryptocurrencies. And as you can see, all of them have been bought. And when we go here, you can see that stamp ID is 919 and we have owner. We can go to view more. Okay, that's bad. We'll go through Etherscan. So boom. And we can see it here already. And if it would be sent somewhere else, we could also follow the transaction. So if you decide, for example, to buy it from OpenSea or somewhere, the transaction will be shown there. So you can always be sure that you always buying the right one, that not the fraud one. How can I say original one? How can you say it? Yeah, that it's legit. Down below we have also some frequent asked questions. So that being said, I will now move to unboxing the package that I got. So let's just do that. So as you can see, it's from Croatia. I don't know. Yeah, Croatian Post. I have here the scalpel, so always be careful with it, you know. And let me just open it. Okay. So let me just, okay, they are already here. So, oh, you can see them. I got a couple of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we got, come on, 10 others. So, inclusive 20 cards. Okay. Yeah. I was just watching if the private code is shown, but no, it's not. It's just it is inside actually. It is a good thing that I watched. Okay, so let me just get this one. Okay, I will move them on the side. I got also something. I think this is just the invoice. Yeah, it's just invoice. And how much was it? Okay, I bought 20 pieces by the price of €6.67, which is 133 euros. I'll put that back inside. Also these crypto stamps. These crypto stamps will be used in the future. I will do some giveaways where I will give to my followers, subscribers, or people who support me, give few of those, and just hope that you get the good tiers on it. So, as I showed you, this is how it looks like. I appreciate the follow, Finn. I appreciate the follow. And I can also maybe open it, but I'm not sure now how it looks like, so I wouldn't like to show the serial number, but not serial number, the seed phrase or private key. That would be bad. Let me just open it. So we opened the first one, and this is, let me just switch that, and this is how it looks like. Let me just see how. Okay, good. So what I showed you before unboxing, they explain that all things here in the, they explain all these things here in the small paper which is wrapped in, and I need to protect this because that is not something that I would like to show. Wait. I need to think good think how to protect this. Just a second, GG's. Oh. Yeah. And I will need to protect also the second part of it. It's a private key, which is used to access the wallet. So that is something that, as I said, you need to keep safe. You need to keep the key safe. Without that seed phrase, you can't recover. Masking tape, bro. Yeah, wait, let me check. Let me check that. Let me check. Yeah, you're right. Let me just to protect it. Come on. I can't find where it starts. I'll check also the second one. So. Yeah. Morticia was faster than I. So she did it. So let's put this here. And I don't care about QR code, but just to protect the private key. So many people lost, even I did. I lost some Tezos with it because I deposited on the Tezbox wallet and I couldn't then access my wallet. So what I did, I went to recover it, but someone made phishing site. So I enter my private keys and someone stole my crypto. But it wasn't too much. It wasn't too much. Still they got few bucks. And let's put it doesn't look pretty, but still it gets the job done, so I can't complain. I can't complain. I didn't prepare myself right for it, so boom and boom. So as I showed you the front part of it, you can see all the tiers, and it said for detailed instruction information or access to your stamp, please visit crypto.posta.hr/stamp. And behind, I glued it. I protected it now. You can see the seed phrase, and you can see also the private key. And it's just some stats. All electric creation hypercar, 1914 HP and 412 kilometers per hour. And that is actually the stamp, the real stamp that you can use. Let me, this part here. Wait, let me just, no, here. This part here. You can use to peel it off. I will not do that because I don't want to damage it. And also the focus is really bad on this camera, but I mean, I'll probably make some photos of it and throw it in the Discord, because you can see the edges and you can peel it off from the edges. But as I said, it doesn't make any sense to do that because it has more collecting value than nominal value, just to pay postage. And as I said, don't forget to subscribe, follow, and join to the streams and videos. I will drop also the link now in the description of my YouTube channel, where I do also mostly crypto stuff related, where it's more crypto stuff related and financial. And that being said, that being showed, we are good with crypto stamps. We will jump now to the Fuel, which is game made by Marshall Dracu, founder of Posse. Okay, we'll play it like just to feel it. Yo, Josh, appreciate the on fire. Jerry, welcome to the channel. You missed mostly part of unboxing, but you can always watch the past stream, so it's good, or rewatch it, as Martisha said. Assist. Let me just start the Fuel. So where is it now?